You have a 2x2x. What's the one where you? What's the one where?
If you don't know the algorithms, it's hard.
No, but like.
Yeah, do you know what my kind of puzzle is?
Okay, you cannot steal my cubes. Right there. Suddenly, big cube.
It's not even focusing.
Wait. Maybe he won't win this. Looks like they have pie. Gaming cube.
I don't know. Damien, like what time are your main event?
So, Aaliyah did something.
Wait,
My sister did this, and I'm
Wait, is that Sam's?
yeah.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Oh my gosh.
I got that same exact time for TV.
What's your best time, Ben?
Our best time right now is 11 seconds.
So you got me beat by 1 second. No world record.
Michael gonna break the world record today.
So bad.
Oh.
Oh, that's very good. It's
No, it's
20.65.
what was it, Ben?
I'm not recording that.
I think we need to have these at schools. These are all Sam's cubes. Quite the collection. I have a problem. I can't do it. I won, Aaliyah. Freaking won.
Oh, wait, it's her last.
I'm Sam. I'm really hoping I can tell.
Uh-oh, the timer's gonna max out. Oh, that sucks. I was 1 minute off.
502-881-497.
I can now say that I've solved a 7x7 in like less than 10 minutes. So cool. And that's the one. Okay.
Hello. Okay. So welcome to the Open 2015 15. Hopefully you guys are having a good time. It seems that everybody's busy writing numbers on the board. I hope those are accurate. Those really don't look accurate. Oh well, that's okay. We'll fix that later. So I assume.
This is amazing.
All right.
70%.
That's actually a lot more than I expected. That's good. Good for you guys. I'm glad you guys are back. For everyone else, welcome to a cube competition. We had about like maybe 3 times as many people as we thought we would get. So. Okay, for this part I'm going to talk loud. Can everyone hear me? If you can't hear me, raise your hand. Good. Okay.
What are you doing,
The
Karsten?
process is basically you have up to 15 seconds to inspect the puzzle. During this time you can't make any moves, but you're welcome to take as much of that 15 seconds to figure out what you want to do. You don't need to take all of it. In fact, like a lot of people will take 1 or 2 seconds. Some people take, around 8. The judge will give you a warning at 8 seconds and 12 seconds. After 8 seconds of passing, and after 12 seconds. And you just go and sit down and wait for your next event. Does that roughly make sense? Any questions? They don't realize that could add a lot of time for yourself. Yes. Okay. 1 minute talk, you have to demo one-handed. Which sucks. Don't help with it. Calvin Nielsen, Chandler Jensen, and Christopher Scott, and Damien Wilding for 5x5.
They're trying to beat us.
Damien, you better win.
Sam Thompson, could I borrow you for the next forever?
Yeah, go for it.
Could I also have Dylan Woodbray, Jacob Cahoon, Jaden Monson, and James? Made it.
So much better.
It's never gonna happen.
I'm proud of you.
I know. Hard to.
It's amazing how many cubes. But in you. Let me get this too. Okay, good. Pyraminx.
Have you guys seen this
And then you get this one over here. How the heck do you do that when this thing won't?
I don't know.
talk about.
This is the gear ball. It is cooler than a waffle.
Why are you giving us a cube review? This is your time to shine. Don't give us a cube review.
It looks like a ball, but it's not a ball. I gotta go.
Come up here and explain to me, but not too hard. Will be heard. Dylan Woodbury.
So in pyraminx finals, second place with an average of
He kicked me out in third place. I'm so bad at you. It's okay, buddy. There's always next year. There's always nationals, but I won't get second at nationals.
Cube.
It's very good.
So your favorite cube?
Sure.
Where can you get one?
Okay. Spinning rings.
Yeah.
Jay Krishna, Jaden Mont.
What are you doing? Ah! It's finally focusing.
He's out 42nd place. He got 14.60.
I think that's my personal best. Sub 7. No, not my crush. Timer.
Now give me that exact.
Where did Nick go? Just mix it.
Matthew Levitt.
Or trending back. 3 by 3.
Mom, really? Good job on delivering that cube. Good job.
Damien.
I need this. Oh, it zoomed in so much. Oh, kid. Oh, can't touch this. Damon, I was accidentally recording that.
Aaliyah, tell him what to do.
Where do these go?
Just give them to people who have no one at their table, like that little kid with the glasses.
Forest later.
How do you zoom?
So rude. Oh, you're so rude. Gosh, you're such a jerk.
Nice job, Damien.
Nice job, Spencer.
Thanks. We're here at the Utah Nerd Convention. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm single.
He's single because he wants to be. No, he
I
can't.
yearn for the love of a woman.
He couldn't get a girlfriend if he tried. We're here at the Utah Nerd Convention. This is a nerd. What do you have to say about this competition for nerds? What do you have to say about this competition?
Well, obviously.
Michael Wells.
See, that's how nerds, they have to call each other up. Look how nerdy that is.
This nerd convention
Look how nerdy
very
this is.
free. I mean, like,
Yeah, this is like the best nerd convention.
Here is,
This is the best nerd convention he's been to, right?
Yeah, this is the, you could
So it's better than my nerd convention?
yeah, you could say this was a superfluous nerd convention, if I do say so myself.
Aiden, this is your first time judging.
Wasn't on.
Oh, he finished.
What's up?
He is.
Wait, Mike, you're not allowed to solve it until I get.
This is one-handed?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it recording?
Yay.
Okay.
It's gonna be epic.
I knew it. World records are gonna get broke.
Am I winning?
Yep, you're winning.
Yes, Damien, you are.
Well, now you're about tied.
I don't think I will.
Quit talking and focus.
You got it.
Hey, nice. Woo! That was for you, Aaliyah. That little woohoo, that was for Aaliyah.
That was 6 seconds.
Because I know how much you love it when I go, woo! Good job, Damien!
You.
They don't want it like that. He only wants the timer at the end. Yay, Damien! I just do that because I know how much they like.
I put this guy. Go, Damien. Go, Damien.
That's my best time in 2 seconds.
I'm getting a great picture of your face. I know, I got a good one of him. Come on, Damien, don't disappoint me now. Good boy.
Perfect. Oh yeah, you can't go that way.
World record.
I see why this is a
It's gonna break the point 600. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
That one. That's what I look up so that we
Yeah, that's exactly what I use.
So what am I doing?
Hold it like that and do it. Dang, baby.
You'll be surprised. All it is here's some happy sounds. Our business is like football is probably more than
Waking up tonight thinking you were gone.
They're ending.
Ryan? Hey, Mom, are you going to record anything for your video?
Here, I'll get this guy right here. For my video. I don't know, do you have any ideas? I haven't.
I'm almost done.
Oh, Hayden's having a good time. He's having a good time over there.
Excellent. Now you get to turn it right around.
Michael, is this a +2? It's like, it is
Oh no, it's just like
Don't start yet. I thought that would have been like a 20 or 40.
Okay, I just got this new like fill it and didn't crack my phone. Gross. I hope the phone is like a sugar.
Skips are everywhere.
Oh!
That was
How are we going to pay for the farm now? It's true. That's seriously why this.
You did good, Calvin. You did good. So what number is this?
This is tau, where tau equals 2 pi. And it's more convenient in some ways, as in tau is a full circle rather than pi being half a circle.
Oh, I see. Have fun with that.
Good for you.
Second place in 6 hours myself, Calvin Nielsen. That I didn't get an average because I guess.
What are you doing?
I have a single of 5 minutes 15 seconds.
For my Rubik's Cube competition.
A lot.
That's
how he buys all his puzzles. To just make it cards.
Not always, actually. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? It's so big.
Now I know that my puzzle's good enough.